Okay, os rydw I gwyd star yma le chiach stach, star am bram, since there's another storm coming in, he'll make a rahul beidir. Rydw I cynsiala, no, fuck the cynsiala Uslo dal, Madrishan Amshir. I thought it'd be timely to upload another expressions with the weather. Is the word feochan. Sometimes you'll hear people say feochán, and in down south I think it's feothan. Feothan, which gives its name to the place name in Carcagovna or Carcagovna, as it said themselves down there. Feochanach, the windy place or the gusty place, and it is if you've ever been there. That's my understanding of it. There could be a chance that's related to the word for thistle as well. Feochanan, I'm not sure. I think it's to do with wind, as far as I'm aware. And it lends itself to an expression in, I'm not sure if it's true in the rest of the Gaeltachts in Ireland, but certainly in Cartaig and in Eris, if you said Hog se feochan gonjarshan or Hog se feochan gonjarshan, he took wind of your man, would be literally the expression translated to English, and you hear it in colloquial west of Ireland English, certainly in Mayo and in Sligo. Like it would normally mean like someone's after pissing you off and you're going for them. So Hog se feochan gonjarshan, he took wind of your man and you got thick with him, basically. So we're all league Bram. We're all getting wind Bram. We're all sick of him. I remember my dad saying it when I was growing up in Roscommon. We had a farm and we had a bull in the field that was not of the best temperament, and he says, mind yourself going into that field. If the bull takes wind of you, you get hurt. And that was the way that expression was used. So I know it's nothing to do with flatulence, if anyone asks.